Well, we heard the finance minister's budget speech today. I would say it's a mix of what was dreaded and what came. What I mean by that is there were these rumors floating around that will long-term capital gains tax be tinkered with on listed securities? Will you have estate duties? Will you have wealth tax? I personally believe the fact that none of this came through itself was seen as a big relief. But on the positive side, I think if we take away the 2 or 3 major themes which the finance minister outlined, one is this is the clearest intent I have ever heard from a finance minister to increase the tax base of the country and to record the fact that it is the salaried earners who really suffer because they have nowhere to hide their income. And I think coming from the finance minister in a parliament speech, that has to be lauded. We are hoping that the actions which will follow will see through some of these intents. I also think that a 5% rate is a better option than increasing the exemption limit drastically, because that allows taxpayers to remain in the radar and that helps in increasing the tax base. The last point is that in a relative sense, the disappointment is that the roadmap on overall reduction of corporate tax rate to 25%, not just on small size companies, that should have been specifically spelled out as was announced 2 years ago. That would have been helpful. And the very high dividend distribution tax on corporates continuing is the other aspect which has not been addressed. That is the only disappointing part, if you ask me. Otherwise, overall, a fantastic balancing act, fiscal discipline, and some very good measures on the taxation front. Thank you.